So hey बच्चा पार्टी, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, जय जगन्नाथ, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल टॉपर्स बाय माइंडसेट। तो आज का ये जो वीडियो है स्पेशली फॉर 10th और 12th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों के लिए। सो दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर क्लास 10th एंड क्लास 12th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज देयर इज अ वेरी गुड and very great news release for you, that is the official sample paper has been released by the CBSE. ठीक है, so let us now see how we can download the official sample paper that has been released. So after coming to the Google, you will check it here. Okay, just search CBSE and the first official website, this you can get it here. Okay, now let us click to the official website over here. Now over here you can see there are 6 columns, 6 boxes over here. Okay, so for us mainly this important is this academic website. Okay, so this is most important for us. So now let us click this one. So now here let me zoom in. Yes, so now here you can see that sample paper, that is sample question paper over here. Okay, let us click this one and let's see what is there. So after clicking here you can see the previous question papers, sample question papers also. Now but the recent one we need, that is SQP 2025-26. okay, so for both class 12th and 10th it has been released. So let me click class 10th. ओके, सो यहाँ पर देखिए कि आपका आ गया है कि यस कि पूरा here you can see for the science here it is. Okay, this is sample question paper for in English and in Hindi. Again this is the marking scheme, how it is marked, how much numbers will be asked from which chapter, that is being mentioned over here. Okay, so this is the question paper and this is the marking scheme. Okay, so now from here you can download whichever you want. Okay, so I'm just gonna click the science one, let it be loading. Until it loads you can just go and subscribe to our channel, that is Toppers by Mindset. Okay, just small promotion organization. तो चलिए तो देखते हैं यहाँ पर कि हमारा थोड़ा सा मेजर चेंज हुआ है हमारा सिलेबस के पैटर्न में। सो नॉट सिलेबस, क्वेश्चन पेपर के पैटर्न में। तो पहले क्या होता था कि विल बी डीलिंग विद, अर्लियर इट वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू मल्टीपल सेक्शंस वेयर यू नीड टू सी फर्स्ट एक नंबर वाला क्वेश्चंस, लाइक 1 mark क्वेश्चन विल बी देयर, देन 2 mark क्वेश्चन, देन 3 mark क्वेश्चंस, देन 5 mark क्वेश्चंस. बट दिस टाइम देयर इज अ मेजर डिफरेंस. सो हियर फर्स्ट दे हैव, okay, let me read you here. They are divided into some parts. Okay, like biology, physics and chemistry both are separate now. You have to take it individually. So there are 39 questions in 3 sections, and section A is biology, section B is your chemistry, and your section C, that is physics. So there are 3 sections over here. First one is biology, then chemistry, then physics. Okay, all the questions are compulsory. However, the entrance choice is provided in some of the questions. A student is expected to attempt only one of the questions. ठीक है, so you have to attempt only one. आपको दोनों नहीं करना है, बस एक ही काफी है. ठीक है, अगर आता नहीं तो छोड़ दीजिए, या फिर कुछ मतलब छोड़िए मत, कुछ भी लिख के आ जाइए बट छोड़ना मत. ठीक है, so you have to do all the questions and all the questions are compulsory. ठीक है, so let us see how it is being divided. So now comes to the section A. Oh, okay, in the section A, first 1 mark question, 1 mark question, 1 mark question. Okay, it's being given here, 1 mark, 1 mark. Then again it comes 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. Yes, now there are 7 1 mark questions, then there are 2, okay, 1, 2, and yes, there are some assertion reasoning questions. Then you can see there are 2 mark questions starting from here. Okay, up to 9 number questions there are 1 mark questions, then the 2 mark questions are starting. ठीक है, और उसके बाद क्या है, yes, so it continues, then 1 2 mark question, 1 2 3, there are 3 2 mark questions over here, and then it comes to the question number 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, which are carrying 3 marks. Okay, carrying 3 marks. Then comes 4. Oh, one 4-mark question is also there. Then comes to the 5-mark question. So in this way, section E, that is the biology, is completed. Then the same goes for chemistry as well as physics. The second one is chemistry. Section B, that is chemistry part. Then again section C, that will be for physics part. Okay, let us come to here. That is, yes, section C, that is your physics part. This is your physics part. Okay, so here you can see this. Similarly, if I go to mathematics, I got in sections, yes, okay, class 10th. So now here there is 2 mathematics, that is basic and standard. For the time being, I'm clicking the standard one. Okay, you can check out all of them: Sanskrit, home science, SST, whatever the subjects are you have chosen, you can just accordingly check it out. For the time being, look at here. Yes, coming to the mathematics question paper. So there is not much change, or you can say very little change or no change in the question paper of mathematics, because it's only one book. There are no multiple books. Science is divided because there are 3 books, like physics, chemistry in one, and biology. So there are 3, but mathematics is combined with one only. So there is no change in the mathematics sample question paper. Okay, so let us read the instructions first. It is saying that the question paper contains 28 questions paper, and all the questions are compulsory, and the questions is divided into 5 sections: A, B, C, D and E. So in this question, section A contains 18 multiple choice questions, that is from question 1 to question 18. Okay, and 2 assertion reasoning questions. That means 18 plus 2, that is 21 mark questions. Okay, fine. Now in the section B, we'll be seeing some very short answer questions that is containing 2 marks each. Okay, now coming to the section C, that will be short answer that is containing 3 marks each. Okay, coming to the section 4, similarly it is long answer type that is carrying 5 marks, and at the last section E, that is your case based study questions that is carrying 4 marks each. Okay, and it on the case based study also has sub parts, that is there will be 3 questions, 1, 1 and 2 is respectively, and it will be mentioned over there. Okay, so चलिए थोड़ा सा नजर डाल देते हैं कि इसमें कैसा क्या है. Okay, so as you can see here, so question number 1, 2, 3, and it goes on, and there are some questions over here up to question number 18. It is short question answer. Okay, and there are 2 what is that, asserts and reasoning questions are there too. Okay, then comes to section B, which consists of 5 questions and each containing 2 marks, that is 10 marks is here over here. Okay, now again coming to the next one, that is section C. Section C consists of 6 questions which contains 3 marks, that is 3 marks each, that means 18 marks total. Okay, similarly we'll go to the 4th part, that is section D, which consists of 4 questions is containing 5 marks. Okay, then goes to the section E, that is the last part, that is case based study questions. Okay, so here in the E section, so there are 4 marks question. Okay, right, and it is consisting of like 1 mark, 2 mark or 2. So completely 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4 marks. Okay, case based study questions, that is 1 question. Right, so in this way you can also check it out for other subjects like science is there, elementary elements of bookkeeping and accountancy, English, Hindi, home science, computer application, mathematics basics, standard, social science. Okay, then NCC and all, whichever is your language you can choose accordingly. एंड सब्जेक्ट्स। सो बस इतना ही देना था आपको और इतना ही बोलना था आपको। तो पढ़ते रहिए और धूम मचाइए। बाय बाय।